to you all. I am Dr. Ratna Jain, Mayor of Kota. Kota means a middle-sized city, though it is a million-plus city now, and the youngest amongst the group of million-plus cities. As a mayor, I am a grassroots leader, but fortunately or unfortunately, with immense international exposure. And according to me, the smart city means think global, act local. The technology has to be customized according to the need of your city. And smart city, well, when we thought of one, when everybody now is talking about 100 smart cities, the small countries, small cities like Kota and other cities, the mayors are keeping their fingers crossed whether we will be included in the list or not. Because it is not clear what would be the criteria of the selection. I mean, would be there some crystal clear criteria, or the cities would be given a chance, to showcase the SWOT analysis of the city. I mean, I am not sure what criteria you have still kept about it. Well, it's a nightmare also, because if at all we are not selected in the smart city list, then if not smart, then silly. We would be called a part of silly cities group. And as you know, well, I would like to take help of my own mother language, mother tongue. स्मार्ट सिटी, अभी जो कुछ भी आज अभी बात हुई है मैं उसी में से कुछ बोलना चाहूंगी। अभी बताया गया है कि स्मार्ट सिटी में हम बड़ी अच्छी तरह रहेंगे, कंफर्टेबली रहेंगे, हमारे पेरेंट्स कंफर्टेबली रहेंगे। उन 100 स्मार्ट सिटीज में 125 करोड़, और जब तक ये बनेगी तब तक 130 करोड़ में से कितने लोगों को हम रख पाएंगे? क्या जो वहां माइग्रेट होंगे बच्चे, वो उनके पेरेंट्स भी वहां आ पाएंगे या वो उसी सिली सिटी में रह जाएंगे? कितनी बार हमें उस स्मार्ट सिटी से निकल के सिली सिटीज में ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा? आई डोंट थिंक दिस concept of 100 smart cities is a solution for India. And India being a diverse country, हर शहर अलग है, हर शहर यूनिक है, हर शहर के अपने challenges हैं, हर शहर की अपनी opportunities हैं. Well, we talk about technologies right now, many technologies. Well, I'll start my presentation along with it. Of course, the aim of a smart city is to keep the city green, clean, healthy, sustainable and livable, and to create a world-class infrastructure. I haven't deliberately shown any infrastructure because maybe my city is not smart yet. Well, first of all, as we talked about capacity building, yes. अगर आपको कुछ आता ही नहीं होगा तो आप करेंगे क्या? So, capacity building is most important. And these are few slides about my capacity building. I have been associated with many branches of United Nations like UN Habitat, UNESCO, UNIDO, UNEP, and UNISDR, and UCHSPEC, World Bank as well. So these are few pictures of my conferences and my presentations. This is in Kyoto, Japan. I've been to Japan twice. And I am associated with UNEP ITC, Osaka. And this is a picture of Hong Kong where we were taught that academia and the government should work together. And after this, I was given a project. जापान में जब मैं गई मैंने उनसे कहा कि आप हमें कितने भी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में बुला लीजिए, पर आप MSW की जब बात करते हैं तो हमारा जब बाकी की समाज जो काम करता है, जब तक उनकी कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग नहीं होगी, उन्हें टेक्नोलॉजी समझ में नहीं आएगी, तब तक हमारा सिटी स्मार्ट सिटी नहीं बन सकता. And for that they really agreed to it and they decided to give me $50,000 USD. उन्होंने कहा ठीक है हम आपको इनिशियली $50,000 देंगे and you just work for your वाल्मीकि समाज. But then हमारी local government cannot accept any international funding. We cannot directly take any funding from the international organization. Finally, when I university in my city, and now we are working together on this project. Well, this is a conference of global infrastructure in Basel. बड़े-बड़े investors वहाँ आके they wanted to do infrastructure work in India, and but there were also Ford Foundation and Rockefeller Foundation. वहाँ मैंने उनसे यही कहा कि India needs social infrastructure. Initially, we badly need social infrastructure, and this is recent picture from Spain. As you are talking about the technology of Barcelona, this is Santander in Spain. वहाँ ये सारी technology हमें बड़ी अच्छी तरह पढ़ाई गई. And when we were just, we were taken to the streets showing the technology. कौन-कौन से sensors हैं वहाँ पर, कौन-कौन से और सारी सब कुछ Android इनके पास apps हैं. तो हमें what I would guess कि ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे 4 IIT के बच्चों को 4 दिन वहां भेज दीजिए, सब कुछ कॉपी कर लाएंगे. अब इट्स सो इजी. और मैंने ये सब आके मेरे बेटा IIT में पढ़ता है, मैंने उसको बताया. He said, of course we can do it, Mama, no problem at all. Well, this is picture of my municipal corporation. हाँ, जैसा अभी आपने बोला 2 million USD मिलता है टीचर को. 2 million USD. ये जो आप टेक्नोलॉजी बता रहे हैं यहाँ पर भी है, और कोटा में तो है ही. कोटा में बहुत सारे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, और वहाँ पर साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत सारे सिटीज की पढ़ाई एक साथ बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाता है, ऑलरेडी पढ़ाया जाता है. So this is a picture of my Kota Municipal Corporation, जिसे हमने स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी we have used lot of smart technology over there. We have e-governance, we have LAN and WAN as well, and all the work is done on computers. And so we have facilities for webinar as well as video conferencing. And this is our website, and we have an application also, and on the Android mobile application, and so you can get all the information about the corporation on your mobile phone. And this is the survey. We just saw in the presentation about the survey also, that we got 3D picturization, photography of the city as a pilot project. And this way the whole 3D, as if we are moving in the roads, on the lanes, etc. ourselves. And so you just with the help of your mouse, you can move around and see the buildings and what tax they have paid and what are the encroachments and all. These, we have already got it done 2 years back in my own city. And we have a rooftop solar plant being laid down. And this is the picture. It has just begun 7 days back. And so my corporation building will be the first one in Rajasthan to have a rooftop solar plant. Well, this was the conference we did in first international conference we did in my city, Kota. Well, I'm telling you because we hear all these things being held in Delhi, Bombay, all the metro cities. But nobody, I think most of you might not have heard the name of Kota. Because maybe because of the coaching institutes you might have, but there are many. Can you raise your hands, please, those who have not heard the name of Kota? So these are the training programs we conduct in schools and colleges for the awareness of solar energy and other technologies. And this is a picture from Japan. Where they have given us 50,000 USD for the work. And this is the project GIS-based citizen reporting and waste management system we have developed for the waste management. So that anybody can send a picture of the bin or some garbage is lying down. Well, again, when we are talking about capacity building as a mayor, first of all we need to define the role of a mayor. We need to define the city and who is the head of the city. There is a lot of confusion regarding this. I mean, who is the decision maker? The government of Rajasthan does not allow us to attend the conferences even. The MLA is there who seems to be our boss, and then again there is an MP, and then the city is divided into many areas. For example, the city, my city is divided into नगर निगम का एक एरिया है, ये UIT का है, ये PWD का है, ये RICO का है, ये मंडी समिति का है, ये रेलवेज का है, ये फॉरेस्ट का है, ये आर्मी का है. What is this? What is a city? Basically, हमारे जो देश की समस्याएं हैं, before being smart, you know, basic जो चीजें हमें चेक करने की जरूरत है. Maybe I am getting out of the topic because after all, my dream was also to make my city a smart city. और जो challenges हैं, grassroots challenges, क्योंकि इंडिया में हमेशा कहा जाता है कि सारी पॉलिसीज एसी रूम में बैठ के बनाई जाती हैं. कलेक्टर साहब हमारे डीसी साहब की बड़ी मीटिंग्स लेते हैं सफाई की. मैं कई बार उनको फोन करती हूँ, लिख कर देती हूँ कि एक बार फील्ड में आके तो खड़े हुई, एक बार आप आगे देखिए ना सफाई कैसे होती है, सफाई कैसे होगी, कैसे हो रही है. आप कमरे में बैठ के अगर आप डिसाइड करेंगे तो आपको कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा. ये सीन है. टेक्नोलॉजीज बहुत सारी आ जाएगी, पर गायों को कौन हटाएगा? सड़क पे we have, you know, everything. We have rats and cats and bats, dogs, cows and buffaloes, pigs and whatnot. I mean, these are the basic challenges. And then the diseases they are creating, see the accidents and the diseases. This is again a picture of Japan. Yes, we also want our city to be as clean as Japan is. और यहाँ open defecation is so common in our cities. Smart technology इसमें क्या रोल प्ले करेगी? प्लीज मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ. It is so difficult to move on the roads, especially in the morning. And what about this poor population, urban poor? Schools, I would talk here about social infrastructure. So social infrastructure means health and education, water and sanitation, women empowerment, gender equality, and environment protection. These are the basic things we want, and we want technology to improve all these social infrastructure. Maximum deaths due to air pollution in India. Maximum deaths due to water pollution in India. Maximum deaths under the age 5 years children in India. Maximum poor in India. What now? What technology can stop this? 100 smart cities. Now, ICT means, can these 100 smart cities hide all this truth of India? मैं जब इंडिया के बाहर जाती हूँ, they don't ask me about my infrastructure, my big buildings, my bridges and my roads. They ask me about rates. मैं उन्हें क्या जवाब दूँ? इंडिया में जब मैं एयरपोर्ट पर रात के 12 बजे उतरती हूँ तो मैं घर नहीं आ सकती. 5 दिन तक वहां बैठना पड़ता है और वहां पूरी रात सेफली घूम सकती हूँ. I mean, I'm talking about more of Europe and Japan, these cities, countries. ठीक है, बहुत सारी countries में प्रॉब्लम है, पर हम तो इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं. So I would like to talk about these countries only. So, smart city again. You talked about parking. Parking की जगह है या नहीं वहाँ पर? But we want to see हमारी गाड़ी वहाँ पे से उठ जाती है और 2 घंटे में डिस्मेंटल होके ग्रे मार्केट में आ जाती है. So this is our challenges. These are our problems. This is the Valmiki Samaj of my city, who is looking after the whole municipal solid waste management. इनकी कैपेसिटी का क्या? organized, unorganized mafia. So Kawadi wala. You know, the Japan, they gave us the money and they said, you go and study what kind of, trash you are having. How can we make them understand that? I mean, it is just impossible to find out how many trash we are producing. Because कितना सामान तो कबाड़ी वाला ले जाता है, कितना वो दिन भर जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे प्लास्टिक बीनते हैं, वो ले जाते हैं. I mean, और जो ट्रक्स में जाता है, मैंने कितनी बार ट्रक्स को पकड़ा है, सब टेक्नोलॉजी लगा दी. जीपीएस भी लगा दिया, वेट के लिए भी उनको मैंने मशीन लगा दी, कंप्यूटर से पर्ची निकल कर आती है और उसमें पत्थर खुल के जाते हैं. और कचरा वहीं का वहीं. सो बेसिकली वी नीड टू चेंज द माइंडसेट ऑफ द पीपल. वो भी बात हो चुकी है, मैं सिर्फ कंपाइल कर रही हूँ. अब तक जो भी बातें की है, आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग देम टुगेदर एंड ट्राई टू explain the condition, the grassroots problem of this nation. Again, this is women empowerment, जो हमारी ड्यूटी है और हम बहुत अच्छी तरह करते हैं. RTE, कोटा के किसी स्कूल में आप चले जाइए और मेरा नाम ले लीजिए, 25% गरीब बच्चों को एडमिशन कंपल्सरी है. And that is the, I mean, I'm quite hopeful कि ये बहुत बड़ा solution है हमारे देश के लिए. RTE को strongly अगर हम implement करते हैं, because the problem is of implementation. Again, we were talking about this. So RTE means 25% बच्चे गरीब in the sense the parents who are earning less than 20,000 per month. मुझे लगता है एटलीस्ट मेरे शहर में तो 70% लोग ऐसे हैं जो 20,000 पर मंथ से कम कमाते होंगे. एटलीस्ट 50% तो है, क्योंकि 35% तो बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन जो 5,000 रुपये महीना कमाते हैं. So if their children are given opportunity to study in private schools, I think this is a solution. And long term में अगर देखा जाए तो it's a biggest solution. So this is again education. I guess something special about quota, which I think I should, if at all there, I mean, if this is a criteria for choosing 100 smart cities, well, my city should be the first one to be selected. Because quota is mini India. All students, most talented students of India, from east to west, north to south, they come there for their computer examinations, for IIT and medical computer examinations. And this year, the topper of India for IIT as well as CPMT was from Kota. And these students, when they will be there, they will learn about the smart technologies and the message they will carry with them nationally as well as globally, because these IIT students, they travel, they work all over the world. Yes, so Kota deserves to be a smart city. This is all I want to say. Maybe some things, some what I said, maybe is different from what you think, but these are the realities. And as a grassroots leader, and I again stress, I need to. This is my duty to put this here in front of you. Thank you.